Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuosa Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Today we are back at a project, if you've been following along, been here for a few months, working on a guest house or an accessory dwelling unit. A lot has happened since a month ago, and a lot is still happening. A lot is going on. So Mike's going to take you through a tour of the house in just a moment. And if you're wondering, why are we wearing matching shirts every year?
Here we go.
Is March Madness. And so we are just getting going on March Madness. And we are representing my school that I hope takes the crown. University of Arizona Wildcats, go Cats. And because Texas is not going to win.
No, we're not.
He has to wear an Arizona shirt so we can stay married. Anyway, so now for the tour.
So here we are in this space, and we're going to kind of look at some stuff that's been completed and what's still going on. Plumbing has been completed. Inspection of plumbing has passed. The mechanical, rather the air conditioner, which is up there, has also been completed and passed inspection. The electricians are working right now. They're actually hanging out while we do this. And as always typical in a house, you have to sometimes adjust where the lights go a little bit depending on the framing. So I had to move a few of the recessed lights so that they would be centered and also not interfere with the fan, so you don't want to get that strobe effect. So they're in the middle of doing their work right now. I actually have a painter outside who is prepping the siding for painting. And because this is a neighborhood conservation district, the siding had to match the existing house. So we had to have that made. That way it doesn't really look out of place. It looks like it's been here all along. So the electricians are doing their wiring. After they're done, they will get their inspection called in, and I'm sure it will pass. And then after that's done, I have a termite treatment that will happen. And then we have insulation. We're going to use spray foam insulation on this house. It'll be very energy efficient. When that passes, then we get to close up the walls and install the drywall. So then now, if we walk around, obviously there are ladders because people are doing work. You can see what's going on. I've got a pocket door right here. Then I also have another pocket door over here that goes to the bathroom, and this is the master with the master bath. You can see all the wiring is here. And what's nice is we made this with 9-foot ceilings. The owner is about 6'4", so it was very important to have tall ceilings so he wouldn't bump his head. Nice big closet. Then we kind of come through. It's almost like an efficiency type unit, but a little bit bigger. We have a laundry room over here. The back door with a little back patio. They're going to plant a neat little garden back there. Then we also have a kitchen that is actually quite a sizable kitchen over in this area with a nice size island. On the other side of this wall is where the workroom is. That is his kind of where he wants to have a printer or 3D printer and some other really cool stuff go on over here. There is attic access in this house, but we also have a stairway going up to the attic because we're going to use the attic as a storage area. So unlike most attics, the entire attic is decked with flooring. So you can walk up the stairs, open a door, and actually use it as a storage area. And because it's spray foamed, the climate up there will only be a few degrees hotter or colder than what it is here inside the house. So that's kind of what's going on today. By the time we come here next month, a whole lot more will be done. Obviously, these are breaker panels. It's just really nice. It's really coming together well. A lot of storage, a nice big space, very energy efficient, excellent framing work. Framers did a great job. Electricians doing a great job. All of our trades are just doing really, really well on this project. So I'm very happy with how it's turned out. So then next time you will actually see walls.
Thanks so much for watching Behind the Drywall. We hope you enjoyed what you saw and all the progress that has happened in this amazing, amazing project. So next time, a lot more will happen. My guess is probably a lot of drywall paint and everything like that. So these walls will be closed in. So say bye-bye. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Please follow us along, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, family, like. We like being liked.
I like it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.